Damn it. Well, so early on in the day, so we'll see what I can do. Go back to turn the tranny out. Well, I don't know what that equates to in time-lapse time, but real time, I don't know, 20 minutes. Transmission's back out. So, well, let's break it apart and see what the issue is. I don't know. So maybe I didn't mess nothing up. Maybe just the V3 and the V2 gear set can't really. I mean, man, I put them together and twist. I'll show you. I'll get it apart, you guys, and I'll show you what's up. Well, that's not a good sight or a good sign. So, long story short, V3 does not work with V2. So, man, it's so frustrating. So, as you can see here, we got V2 gear, but you can see fourth gear. I believe that's fourth gear. Yeah, I think that's fourth gear. Fourth gear matches up perfect. The teeth, all that stuff. But third gear doesn't match up. So that's the difference. So obviously, when you put this on the shaft and you start spinning it, it binds up. So I mean, it's so close as far as having the parts work, but man, it sucks that it doesn't. So they made so many changes too, as you can see here, like the whole dog teeth, where it engages and all that stuff. So got to figure out what we're gonna do. So do we just bite the bullet and buy all new V3 stuff, which at this point we're like more than halfway there with all the V3 stuff, or do we hold on to the V3 stuff that we got and try to source some V2 stuff? Well, I know there's another guy out there, I forget his name right now, but I was trying to, he needed some V2 parts as well. Did I say V3 again? I meant V2 if I said V3. Try to source some V2 parts, but it's discontinued. And I think that was like 10 years ago they started making that stuff, and I don't know how long they've been making V3 stuff. So we got some decisions to make. Obviously we ain't gonna make the test next or tomorrow, and the final day test that I reserved a spot for is in another week, and I don't think we're gonna make that one either. So that may be the season, more than likely it may be the season. Yeah, we just have to hold off, get some parts over the winter, and then start testing again come beginning of next year, which really sucks because I wanted to get some hits in before the year was over, just to see if there's anything else I need to get. But I don't know, there's a lot of changes, so I don't know, maybe we'll just come out with a bunch more changes and stuff to NFT first year 9.3. So, but I don't know, we'll see. There's still a chance that maybe if I can source some V2 parts and get them here before next weekend, I can get it together and still hit that last of the day or last of the season test. So pretty disappointed, but it is what it is. You know, life goes on. I like to live by the motto, it is what it is. You know, don't dwell on it. Go inside, get on the internet, see if we can find some stuff within a week. Alright, anyways, like, comment, subscribe, share it, like it, push the thumbs up button or the thumbs down button, leave a comment, let me know what you like, what you dislike. Catch you guys in the next one.